Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to go live on TikTok without 1000 fans. As you know, TikTok doesn't allow us to go live without 1000 fans. So we are just going to give a hack or shortcut so that we can go. For that, head over to your profile. Then click on the hamburger menu. Go to settings and privacy. Here, if you scroll down, you can see option report a problem. There are several options. Here we want the option live and going to hosting live. Here go to how to start a live and click on no. Go to need more help. Here TikTok is letting you TikTok help desk. All you need to do is telling TikTok that you need to go live without 1000 fans. All you need to do is to tell TikTok that you need to go live without 1000 fans, and hopefully TikTok will answer you within 24 to 48 hours and you will be able to get live without 1000 fans. And if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.